Welcome back, folks. This is Alex Taylor, the digital media specialist here at BizIQ. Last week we talked about how to use video to market your business online, and we talked about points 1 through 2. And to catch up on those points, you can click the link in the description below and it'll take you to the previous video. You can either pause the video right now and watch the last video from the previous week, or you can just follow along with little to no information about what's going on. Now, with further ado, let's get back into these points. And number 3, start your video with a hook. Statistically speaking, a majority of online traffic will click away from a video within the first 10 to 15 seconds of that visual content. Usually, if the audience finds it dull or irrelevant, that back button starts to look pretty friendly. Usually adding a hook within the first 10 to 15 seconds of that video will increase the likelihood of someone staying and watching the video for much longer. Now, a good hook can range from anywhere from a hypothetical question that you can pose to the audience asking about a specific problem they may or may not be having, a problem that your businesses and services can help fix, to maybe even a client testimonial about how they're having a specific problem and how your business stepped in to help them out. Another good hook specifically could be, if you're a mom and pop shop, show off some of that delicious food. Heck, it'd probably work on me, to be honest. And number 4, make the flow of your video more of a narrative and less of a sales pitch. Yes, you do want to sell a product, but video in of itself is naturally a storytelling tool and should be used to your full advantage. People like to hear interesting stories. These stories can range from customer testimonials to even the CEO sitting down and telling the tale of how he formed the company. Usually when making a marketing video, have a specific aim in mind based off these 3 narrative archetypes. These 3 different archetypes include educating, entertaining, and inspiring. Educating usually falls into the lines of explaining what your products and services do. This is less of trying to get someone to buy something and more of providing insight into what you can offer them. Entertaining is opening your video with sock puppets or even having a duplicate of yourself on screen. You can either wow your audience or you can make them laugh. This option usually provides a lot of creative freedom and a lot of creativity when it comes to bringing in leads. Inspiring is telling a touching story about a customer testimonial or informing the community of a nonprofit organization that you have partnered with. It's to inspire them to act, not only to sign on with your business, but to feel connected to the stories that you tell. And on to point number 5.
Hold on one second.
Come on, who is it now? Not even at 5 minutes yet.
No, not that, Alex.
Is that outdoors next to a fountain, Alex?
Yes, and that's a very oddly specific name. However, I can step in for point 5. That allows you to have a break, and then you can wrap up this video. How does that sound?
Well, I usually don't like my video being hijacked, but let's see what the script says. Right here. On Tath Alex takes over for point 5. How about that? Well, carry on, other me.
All right, thanks, other me. That guy's a dweeb. Okay, now on to point number 5. All right, and point number 5, research what your competitors are doing. This ties in very closely to the 10x content message. It's important to understand and study the quality of video that your competitors are putting out. How high quality is it? How does it sound? Is it well put together? This principle follows the same lines of outrunning a hungry grizzly bear. Just as you have to be faster than the guy next to you, also means you just have to have better content than your competitor. If your competition doesn't have any video production whatsoever or no videos out on the internet, you already have a massive advantage with filming a video just with an iPhone. It doesn't need to be Citizen Kane, even though I would love that, and most film buffs would. However, if you can film it, then do it. It doesn't need to be high production or high quality or even a viral video. It just needs to be better than your competition. Now, with that in mind, I'm gonna pass this along to my other in the green screen room. Thank you so much, folks.
Thanks, outdoors next to a fountain, Alex. Man, that name's a mouthful. Okay, and finally, in number 6, make your video SEO friendly, and that means search engine optimization. And this one is important in this day and age, especially with the existence of Google, Bing, even YouTube, to be honest. You gotta ask yourself, is your video easily found on these search engines? And how can you avoid being drowned out by all the white noise from the monster that is the internet? One of the key aspects to help you get found on these search engines is something called keywords. Keywords are specific words people will put into search engines in order to find services that pertain to your business. Now keep in mind that these keywords are based off of what the majority of people are searching for. because more people will be looking for that specific topic, and in turn will be generating more traffic, or more likely to generate traffic for your business. The goal is to gain more traffic to your website, videos, and gain potential clients. For video purposes, these keywords can be placed in the video's title, the video's description, the video's transcript, and even the hashtags of the video itself. Well, there you go. 6 guidelines to follow when constructing a marketing video. Hopefully these guidelines help you when it comes to directing and molding high quality content for your customers and clients. Now, if you have any more questions about video production, video direction, and video editing, drop them in the comments below. I'll probably address those concerns in a future video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the BizIQ channel. I'm Alex Taylor with BizIQ, signing off.